Welcome back. So the equity market is having a fine Monday morning. No problems there. Let's figure out what's happening in commodities. Manisha is joining in. Manisha, what's the latest?
Well, it's a kind of a morning where you have everything trading on a higher side. So you have gold near all-time highs, silver at 14-year highs, crude oil prices taking higher, coffee, rubber, everything is firm. But I want to focus on the global food prices. And there's an FAO report which has come out with the global food price index for the month of August. The prices here are at a 2-year highs. So when you look at a month-on-month jump, it's not so much. But on the yearly basis, we are up by 7% as compared to August in 2024. So strong commodity prices is what we are working with in here as well. So the prices are highest since Feb 2023. And the major of gains really seem to be coming in case of sugar and edible oils. This is where the inflation really seems to be catching up in the international markets there. I'll start with vegetable oils because here you have the highest inflation, 1.4%. The vegetable oil index is trading at the highest in 3 years as well. Now, there is gain in case of palm and sunflower oil prices, and that is because of the biodiesel mandate that Indonesia really seems to be putting with. It started with B30 and B40 and is talking about B50 as well in sense of blending in the next year. That is where sun and palm get their support from. It also has to do with the maize prices, which also are trading on a higher side because of the US feed and ethanol demand. So everything which seems to be getting divided in sense of food, feed and fuel is trading on the higher side right now. And then it also has to be with the meat price index, where you have seen 0.5% of gain, trading at a record highs in the global markets there as well. Sugar prices gained up too after 5 months of constant declines because of higher production expectations in Brazil and India. You have seen sugar gain up on the index as well. What has seen a decline, though, within the food price index has been one, cereals. This is down for a 5th month and down nearly 0.8% on a month-on-month basis. The other is wheat, a big decliner, really, because we're looking at a very big harvest in European Union, in Russia. Indian wheat crop also expected to be strong. And then it is about rice, where India is the largest producer exporter as well. And with Indian prices of rice trading at a 3-year lows, that is impacting the international food price index also. Another thing that what the FAO has done is it has come out with the global cereal production as well. They're looking at 2025 gaining by 3.5%. And now this is a new record highs that we're looking at. Maize has surged up by nearly 6%. Not so much in case of wheat, but you have seen rice, which also is looking at higher production. So when you look at wheat, cereal, maize, rice, higher production numbers in the global markets are keeping these prices under check.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. That's commodities with food grain, cereals, etc. under the microscope there.